Today, after a mass vaccination clinic shut down when people had adverse reactions, Governor Polis said today the Johnson & Johnson vaccine is safe.
Tonight, though, there are still some concerns after a similar shutdown happened in North Carolina. The clinic temporarily closed in Wake County today after several patients suffered immediate reactions to Johnson & Johnson doses. Colorado State Health Department does say the North Carolina doses were from a different batch of the vaccine than what was used in Commerce City yesterday. Alan Janae there tonight for us. And Alan, we are learning more about what exactly happened to people for the warning bells to go off.
And here's where we are tonight, Karen. There will be no further pause in the use of the Johnson & Johnson or Janssen vaccine that created 11 adverse reactions out of 1,777 vaccinated here at Dix yesterday. Centura Health called those reactions quite mild, and the state says it's found no reason to think that the vaccines were the problem. At Ball Arena, Johnson & Johnson vaccine from a different lot was still in use.
I feel like there's always going to be some adverse effects for some people.
After the problems at Dix Wednesday, the state had the doses from 2 lots used there set aside.
I reviewed the reports. There were stories of people who had needle phobia, people with history of anxiety, others who were just feeling very lightheaded and fainted while sitting in their car after vaccination.
Dr. Eric France says they checked with the federal government.
They reviewed in their data systems of adverse event reporting to see if these lots tended to show up more, and they did not.
At the ranch in Larimer County, J&J vaccine doses were in use for a second day Thursday.
Are people showing up for the vaccine today?
They're definitely showing up, but we are seeing a higher no-show rate with the Johnson & Johnson vaccine.
15 to 20%, possibly exacerbated by booking trouble from Wednesday that may have carried over. But J&J was not causing any unusual amount of problems, and the state says all vaccines still good is good for use.
Are they likely to be put back into use at this point?
If they had vaccine that was properly stored and is now available for use, they will be used in other settings.
Now that means any of the leftover from this event on Wednesday can be used. Now, Centura has said that there were some negative reactions among people who were vaccinated Monday and Tuesday here at Dix as well. 4 on Monday, 8 on Tuesday, not as many as on Wednesday. And at the ranch, FEMA says that the number of adverse reactions they've seen with the J&J vaccine is consistent with the number they've seen with other vaccines. In Commerce City, I'm Alan Janae, covering Colorado First.
President Biden